Welcome to this guided relaxation for renewal. This is your time to pause, to rest, to simply be. You can close your eyes or softly gaze at the peaceful scenes on the screen before you. Let these images guide you into a place of ease. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated. Feel the breath moving through you like a gentle stream flowing through the land. Allow a breath to flow in and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel your body begin to settle. Feel the weight of yourself fully supported. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this moment, unfolding naturally. Gently bring awareness to your body. The feeling of your clothing against your skin. The air moving softly around you. The quiet rhythm of your breath rising and falling. With each inhale, feel life moving through you. With each exhale, feel yourself softening into presence. Notice any areas of tension or holding without forcing anything to change. Let them be seen, be acknowledged. And as you breathe out, imagine them loosening, unraveling, releasing. Now expand your awareness beyond your body. Sense the space around you, the distant sounds of nature. Know that you are not alone in this stillness. You are connected to something vast, something shared. You are held within this quiet, just as the world holds you. Spring is a season of awakening, a time when the earth exhales, stretching back into life. Notice how the world is shifting. Longer days, softer air, the stirring of new beginnings. Imagine yourself lying in a peaceful field, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Feel the earth beneath you, solid, steady, alive. You hear the gentle sway of trees in the spring breeze and the soft rustling of leaves. You see small wildflowers beginning to open, reaching towards the light. Everything in nature knows when to rest and when to rise. There is no rushing, no forcing, only the gentle unfolding of life. Feel yourself in tune with this rhythm. Just as the earth awakens, you too are invited to soften, to breathe, to receive. Rest is not stillness alone. It is a state of being fully alive in the present. It is in rest that we heal, we restore, we grow. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this moment. Feel the support beneath you. Feel how your breath moves without effort. Feel how, even in the stillness, life continues. You are held. You are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. Imagine roots growing from your body into the earth, anchoring you, grounding you. With every breath out, let go a little more, surrendering tension, softening effort, releasing what no longer serves you. Let the weight of expectations dissolve. Let the need to rush or prove yourself. Drift away. In this moment, you are enough, exactly as you are. Balance is not about control. It is about flow. It is about knowing when to act and when to pause, when to give and when to receive. Picture yourself walking through a landscape bathed in golden morning light. A path unfolds before you, though you do not need to see the whole journey. You simply trust each step as it comes. Life is a dance of movement and stillness, light and shadow, holding on and letting go. And you are part of this dance, always in motion, yet always arriving. Balance is not a place to reach. It is something we return to again and again. Slowly bring your awareness back to the space you are in. Feel the steady ground beneath you. Feel the air touching your skin. Know that you can carry this stillness with you. That even in the busiest of days, you can return to your breath, this presence, this deep knowing that you are part of something vast and beautiful. Take one last slow breath in. And as you breathe out, gently begin to move. When you are ready, step back into the world slowly, softly, like the first morning light after a long night's rest.